Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So let's jump into the tutorial. So here I'm using this micro pearl by Pearlex and just resin white pigment paste and turquoise tint by Resin, and this is purple by Resin. It's a tint again. So I have already mixed my color into the resin, and this mold is a long tube. I haven't worked with this mold. I bought it last year, I think so. I will link it. I bought it from Etsy. And for the middle part, I will be using these square glitters. So let's start. I am using low viscosity resin here. It's again by elichem. They're ultra cost. So first, it's the purple resin pigment. I'm just going with the outline here. Slowly pouring my way as it has a bit of design element in the center. So this is a beautiful design mold. And I really love the details, the corners, the edges, really well made. So I wanted to ask you that I sometimes do speed up my videos where I am doing nothing, just pouring. So does this bother you, or you want a slow version of me doing my work very slowly? So yeah, now what I'm doing here is I am adding this white pigment. I actually mixed my mica powder into this white pigment. So this is not alone white, it's white and the pearl mica. So with the second layer, I am doing the white. So it's purple first and then this white mixed mica. And now I will be adding my turquoise color. While it is really a very popular combination, I haven't done so far and I will always wanted to make one. So I'm doing this. So in the center, I will be adding this clear resin. And after that, I am adding my just leftover pigments again with the white. So for the center, as I showed you, I am adding this glitter. It's a square glitter here. Just trying to keep it into the center. And here it goes into the other one as well. So with my torch, I will be removing the bubbles carefully. Please be careful with the torch. So let it cure. See you next day. This is the next day and let's see how it turned out. So before demolding them, I have this little one that I had some extra resin. So this is how it turned out. Totally that cloud brain effect. So now I'm demolding my coasters here. So I actually did have something in my mind that they might turn out like that. So let's see. So this is how they turned out. They were very close to the design I originally thought. So I'm actually really happy and I am so in love with the corners, the edges, how they are made. So again, a beautiful combination of colors and they did turn out neat. I like them. So my next step was all you know that I always do my top coats. Even I do if I do have a very shiny mold, I still do the top coat. So after doing the top coat, let's see how they turned out. So this is how they turned out and I am super happy about them. The edges are so beautiful and the color combination, the mold, the technique, everything worked out as I thought. So I hope you like them. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please do like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so because I do a lot of resin art, mixed media and jasmonite. And your suggestions are and tips are always welcomed, and you have been so supportive always and do help me a lot. So again, thank you so much. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.